Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a storyboard on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and in the marketing materials section you can find the storyboard option. Select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add another pictures to your project, click to the photos section in the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete or change this text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add the different graphic elements to your project, click to the object section, and here you can search and find the different graphic elements. For example, click to the ice cream and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to add animations, click to the animation section, and here you can find different animation which you can use to your project. In the video section you can search or upload videos, and if you want to add the music, click to the music button and just select the music and click to the plus icon and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.